Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish roll with air fryer step by step. Preheat air fryer to 375 degrees F and pat fish dry, then lay out wrappers and prepare fillings. Season fish with salt, pepper, and a touch of lemon zest for brightness. Roll tightly and seal edges with a flour slurry to avoid leaks. Arrange rolls seam side down in the basket and leave space for air circulation. Choose fillings that complement fish without adding excess moisture. Combine flaky white fish with finely diced bell pepper, scallion, and a light binder such as 1 beaten egg or 2 tablespoons of mashed potato. Season with a pinch of paprika and lemon zest to brighten the mixture. Keep portions small to ensure easy rolling and even cooking. Test a single roll first to adjust seasoning and cook time for your air fryer. Brush rolls lightly with oil or spray to promote golden color and crunch. Cook at 375 degrees F for about 8 to 12 minutes, checking at the lower end for smaller rolls. Turn once if needed to ensure even browning, and use a thermometer to confirm fish reaches 145 degrees F. Let rolls rest for 2 minutes before cutting to maintain structure. Serve with a bright dipping sauce like yogurt with lemon and dill.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.